What's going on YouTube? Travis Thompson here. Welcome back to Appalachian RC. You guys are getting ready to take up the Eflite Viper 70mm up here at my new spot. Actually, this is up here at my family's place. My grandmother's house is down there, and that's all their property. And here's my mom and dad. But yeah, guys, you can see the Cumberland Mountains back here in the back. Beautiful, 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 guys. I just flew the Trojan up here, guys, so I figured, you know what, this might work. I might actually be all right landing, because I come through them two trees right there that you see. I come right down through the middle and land up here on the road, but it's working, but I'm still jittery about it. But you know how that goes, guys. But anyway, guys, let's get her up and see what we can do, I guess. Here we go, here we go. Oh, hurry up, get down here. I just hope y'all gonna be able to see it good, you know. They're going to safe a minute. Yeah. About stalled it out there for a minute. Alright guys, let's go full blast. Here we go. I hope I'm getting good footage. I hope, guys. Adjusted my flaps a little bit. It's still wanting to roll though. It is. Alright guys, here we go, full blast. So cool, guys, so cool. A little rudder over, yeah, then a little stall turn. Here we go, guys, full blast. Going to safe mode for a minute. Check the time. Let's get through the gap right here, guys. Alright guys, I guess I'm gonna bring her in because I don't wanna, I just ain't got anywhere to fly or land, so the wind's not going in my favor actually. That's not good, but it was blowing straight down through here, straight between the trees there, guys. Right, here we go. Hoot, nervous, guys. Not bad, not bad. Ran off the road just a little bit, but I can live with that, guys. I can live with that. Not bad. Yeah, I wish I could have flew the P-47, guys. I was really wanting to fly it up here at this new spot. Well, it ain't a new spot. It's my parents' house, and like I said, my grandmother's and all them. But yeah, guys. Make sure everything's good. Oh yeah, we're good. We are good, guys. Oh. Yep. Well, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Up here, like I said, at my parents and my grandmother and them down there in that house. My grandfather and them down there, and my parents over here. But yeah, guys, you can see the beautiful coming of the mountains back there in the back, along the chain of the mountains back there. It's so beautiful. All the colors, doing great, guys. It's wonderful up here. I was sketchy about, coming in between them little trees, them two red trees, over the house, in between the trees, and a straight shot, but it works. Guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, so maybe we'll get the Bigfoot out in a minute and play with it. So, but if you ain't subscribed to the channel yet, guys, I sure would appreciate it. Hit that share, like, subscribe, guys. If you are subscribed and watching, God bless y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Until we do it again, safe flying and God bless. Bye.